Just when we thought Itel was done releasing devices, they hit us with a new lineup. This is the all-new Itel City 100, and right out of the bat, my question is, why does this exist? Anyways, it's an upcoming lineup and it is scheduled to release on the 5th of May. The price hasn't been confirmed yet, but if I am to guess, it should cost around the price of the Redmi A5 as they share a lot of similarities, or it is slightly more expensive. Anyways, unboxing the Itel City 100, we are greeted with the phone, some paperwork, a charging brick and a magnetic plastic case, which actually isn't for wireless charging, but it is for an accessory, a speaker to be specific. It is called the Itel Max speaker. You should be able to get it if you pre-order the Itel City 100 at launch. Now, this is obviously another entry-level smartphone from Itel. The design isn't anything we haven't seen before. It's pretty much just the Itel P70 with a raised camera bump. It is made out of plastic and has an IP64 splash and dust resistor rating. Not the best protection, but hey, any protection is always nice. The Itel City 100 is a 4G device with a dual nano SIM card and a micro SD card slot. At the sides, we have a volume rocker and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Up front is a 6.75-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. You know, pretty standard stuff. My question is, why does it have a U-style notch and why are the bezels this huge? Don't even get me started on the chin. Frankly, I thought Itel was done with U-style notches, but I guess we can't get rid of them yet. The display is capable of a peak brightness of about 700 nits, which isn't all too bright. Frankly, this display is just alright. It is essentially the bare minimum in 2025. The Itel City 100 runs on the Unisoc T7250 chipset with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The RAM can be expanded by 12 GB for the 6 GB model and 16 GB for the 8 GB model. Frankly, I wouldn't even expect you or recommend you to do this because the chipset is already underpowered, so having extra or tons of virtual memory doesn't even make sense in the slightest. When it comes to gaming, the Itel City 100 will be able to handle simple games, but do not push it too much or you will be disappointed. Don't be fooled by the 8 GB of RAM. Now, powering it is a 5200 mAh battery that lasts the entire day and even more if you use it for light tasks like making phone calls and light social media usage. Charging it up takes a while as it has 18 watts fast charging, which the charger is included in the box, so that's a W. Still, charging will take over 2 hours from 0 to 100%, which isn't ideal, but hey, those were the areas where corners were cut. Software is Android 14 right out of the box, which honestly I didn't expect. I thought we would be getting Android 15. That said, it retains fan favorite features such as the dynamic bar, always on display, which is surprising considering this display isn't even AMOLED. It also has game mode with bypass charging and more. Still, there are occasional ads and bloatware which can be uninstalled or disabled. Also, there are no words if we'll be getting Android OS upgrades from Itel, but if I'm to guess, we'll be getting the security patches from time to time at the very least. Now, the camera isn't the strong suit of the Itel City 100. It rocks a 30 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It also has an IR blaster which you can use to control your household equipment. The Itel City 100 is capable of shooting OK photos under good lighting. It can also shoot videos up to 1080p 30 frames per second as well. Now, the major highlight of the Itel City 100 is the speaker it comes with. Frankly, I don't know the thought process that went behind this, like what were the Itel, manufacturers or something thinking when they were designing this device, but this speaker basically attaches magnetically to your smartphone and you can use it to amplify your music. Something that any regular Bluetooth speaker already does. Anyways, that's it on the Itel City 100. Personally, I don't understand what this device offers that the Itel P series or the Itel S series doesn't already do. So yeah, let me know your own thoughts in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.